Yeah, it's going to be windy again today, and unfortunately, it's going to start to pick up in the North Bay as we've seen the Kincaid fire still burning out of control. I wanted to show you the plumes of smoke and what we've seen the past 24 hours. The bright blue indicates that initially the smoke was blowing off the coast, but then you can see it spreading out over the North Bay yesterday afternoon and even into parts of northern Contra Costa County. And our air quality today is going to be another issue as we are going to see at times some drifts of smoke. We can see it in our live camera looking at San Francisco right now. So a smoky start to the day that's going to continue to get worse. If you can, do what you can to reduce our carbon emissions, maybe catching transit this morning. It's going to be chilly stepping out the door with some low 50s. Going into the rest of the day, we have some mid 60s in the forecast with some more gusty winds and some drifts of smoke. As you step out across the rest of the Bay Area, look at how cold it is. And we've been saying that a lot of people are waking up without power this morning or getting ready to not have power. And it is only in the upper 30s right now in Napa, 35 in Santa Rosa, San Martin now at 37 degrees with some 40s for most of the rest of the Bay Area. We're heading into the 70s today, some low 70s for our afternoon highs, which is about normal. And I know we've been saying, is there any hope for any chance of rain in the forecast? So let's talk about it. Our weather setup shows that we have an area of low pressure just off to the east that's bringing in those gusty offshore winds. As that moves away by late tomorrow into Thursday, our winds start to calm down. We see that high pressure remaining just off to our west. And as we open up the view, we can track weather systems coming all the way from Russia. It takes about 2 weeks before it gets here, crossing the Pacific. And unfortunately, we do see these storm systems out here, but they'll be blocked by this high pressure. So no rain from now through at least November 7th in our forecast. As we look at what we are expecting in the near term, some gusty winds today, highs in the low 70s, winds calming down, and that red flag warning expiring tomorrow afternoon. Thursday's looking good. Halloween outdoor activities looking perfect. Highs in the low 70s, and the weekend is also looking nice as we get ready to set our clocks back 1 hour on Sunday morning. Mike, you have a note about the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, Carrie, it's about